going to share with you how I straighten my hair with the GHD Platinum Plus flat iron. I'm also going to share with you all of the tools that I use. I love making beauty product review videos for you, and I also love trying out new beauty products. So if you are into that, definitely make sure to subscribe to this channel because that is pretty much all I do here. If you like this video as you were watching it, or if you found it helpful, definitely make sure to like this video because it will also help other people who are interested in this flat iron. And at the end of the day, the world is just going to be a much better place if we just like these videos. One little tiny click, but it makes such a huge difference. So yeah, let's go ahead and hop right into this video.
There's certain traps I can't escape. You set them down and walked away. So now I'm here alone, just waiting, hoping that you'll come and save me. But think I gotta fix this by myself. I don't need a mix in someone else. I can't even think under your spell. Could be getting by with just your smell. Now there's nothing left.
Straighten my hair, I first start off with a heat protectant. This one is the Tresemme heat protectant. This is my favorite one. I then go in with my boar bristle brush, and I use this to spread the product out throughout my hair while also smoothing it out. Then use my detangling brush. I use this to part the hair, or I use it to kind of pull on the hair as I'm straightening it just so I can get it smoother. And I know this is odd, but you could see I'm starting with my bangs and the crown first because for some odd reason, when I start with my bangs first, I feel like it gets it smoother and flatter, and then my entire hair ends up looking nicer. Okay, sometimes this varies, but I'm starting with the bottom portion of my hair first, and then I'm gonna work my way up to the top of my head. Again, I don't know why this is, but I just feel like it makes the crown of my hair, it makes the roots a lot smoother and a lot straighter. And now I'm just going in and straightening my hair. So as you can see, the GHD Platinum Plus has gotten my hair to be so freaking straight. I also love it because I don't have to worry about the temperature getting too high. It kind of like diagnoses your hair to feel out what temperature it needs to be. If it's a rougher spot, if it's a more curlier spot, obviously the temperature is going to get higher and vice versa. And that's one reason I love it. And I don't know, I just really love this straightener. Like, it gets my hair straight, it makes it look silky. I've had it for about 11 months now, and it hasn't really changed since the first day I got it. So when it comes to my bang area, or the hair closest to my forehead, I often like to take the bangs and straighten them forward. And sometimes I'll try to do the curtain bang where I'll take the whole center of my bang area and flip it inward to give that curtain bang look. And then sometimes I will straighten it off to the side. It all just depends on how I feel. But this is my favorite way to do it. I like to flat iron my bangs forward so that it kind of falls over my face and kind of helps my face look a little bit slimmer. I also like to take the bangs and flip them outwards so that I have a little bit of a curl and volume and a nicer look than just having the bangs be completely straight. So one other reason and maybe theory that I have for why I choose to do my bangs first is because I feel like this is the area that needs the most attention and care. My bang areas also curl up a lot, so by doing it first, I feel like I'm spending more time in this area, and therefore I'm like really perfecting it and making, if this part of the hair looks really nice, I feel like the rest of your hair will look really good. Whereas if I did my bangs last, I might get a little lazy or a little tired and not put in as much effort. And then I just go in and I part my hair. I usually have to do about 3 to 4 parts, and I just tie the rest back. Another really good tip is to make sure that your sections aren't too big. This is going to make a huge difference. It's obviously going to take a little bit more time, but I also feel like by taking more time in your hair, it's going to make the style last a lot longer, and you're not going to have to go in and flat iron it again. And sometimes if my hair needs it, I'll go in with the detangling brush and smoothen out that area before I go in and flat iron it. And sometimes if I want it to look extra nice, I'll go in at the roots in the back of my head and I'll make sure I smoothen that out. And then I do the same thing for the rest of my hair. Okay, now for the crown. I style this differently depending on the occasion or how I feel. If I am trying to make my hair look really nice, I will spend a little bit of more time on this area. But for most days, I just kind of don't spend too much time on it. And what I like to do is I like to flatten the hair forward. This way it's gonna add a little bit of volume. And instead of flat ironing the hair straight like this, like making it horizontal and going down like this, I like to make it so that the strands are in a line, like it's going vertical. I know that's hard for me to explain, so that's why I try to demonstrate it here for you. But I like doing it this way because, I don't know, I feel like it adds a little bit more volume and just looks nicer. And also I like to do it this way when I'm curling my hair as well. And that's it. I honestly owe it to the GHD Platinum Plus for how straight and shiny my hair is, and also how quick it was. And I don't always do this, but every once in a while I'll go in with my Paul Mitchell Super Skinny Serum and I will apply this all over my hair, starting from the roots. And I just do this to maintain the health and the shininess. And whenever my hair looks dry after straightening, then I will definitely add in this serum. So that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, if you did, make sure to thumbs up this video. It will help out a lot. It will also help other people who have curly frizzy hair find a product that significantly straightens their hair. Also, if you would like to see a review of this GHD Platinum Plus and hear about all the good things I have to say about it, definitely make sure to check down below for the link to that video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel if you enjoy content like this. I'm always reviewing stuff, especially stuff that is new, so make sure to subscribe so you don't miss a video. And that is it. I hope you guys are having or will have a great week, and I hope to see you in another video. Bye.